Hi guys, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how you can use AI style replicator. Basically how you can create any image with a reference style or how you can create multiple images keeping the same style. So this is going to be a lot of fun. So what you have to do is you have to come to create design and then go to advanced image designer, right? Now once you come here, you have to start creating the project and choose any dimension that you want to work with, right? Then from a media library, you can pick any image you want, right? Or you can create from AI. So for now, I'm gonna pick one example. Let's say I wanted this one, right? So basically, I already have a reference image, right? And I wanted to keep the same style, right? So what you have to do is once you get your image, right, that you want to change the style of, you can either upload it directly here in the media library or you can generate with AI. What you have to do, you have to go to AI stylizer here, right, on the left. Then when you go there, what you will see, you'll find these things, okay? You have to describe your image slightly. So a kid running on the beach, okay? Then what you have to do, then you have to upload a reference image, right? Like how you want your image style to be, right? I want, let's say, I want like a watercolor style, or I want pencil drawn style. There are so many styles you can create with, right? So many multiple styles. Let's say I want this style, right, where it is hand drawn watercolor and stuff like that, right? So I'm just gonna upload that image, right? Like I uploaded and I put generate style image, right? It doesn't matter what the format of your image is. It will basically generate the same image in the same format that your source image was, right? So we upload that image here, wait for a few seconds while this is processing, and you'll get a beautiful image with the same style that you uploaded as a reference style. So we always had this issue in the AI section where when we try to create an image, the problem is it does not keep the style. Sometimes it makes it photorealistic, sometimes it makes it look at that. I mean, very nice, right? It kept the style, the so much style, right? The whole thing. And then again, what we can do, if you don't want to change the style, if you don't like your output, you can regenerate it again, and then to kind of get the more like better version of it in a sense, right? And then you can try with multiple reference image, right? In any image or style or any, you can do line drawing, you can do pencil sketch art, you can do watercolor style, you can do anything, literally anything you want, anything you desire, anything you want, you can do it perfectly with this. And I want to show you one more example to you, right? Like look at that, it's pretty nice, right? Now I want to show you with one more example. So let me open up so now this is an image, right? So let me show you how you can go from scratch. Okay, so first what we would do, we generate an image, right? So let's say I want kid, let's say a girl running, oops, running on the beach, Disney 3D style, for example. I want it in 3D, right? And I generate an image. Now what I will do is I will try, let's say I have a one image that I really wanted to replicate, right, in a sense where uh one second, let's see. So let it being generated. Now this is good, right? Beautiful, right? Then what we can do again, right, take your styles image. Let me just put this in the canvas. You put it in the canvas, right? You put it in the canvas, go back, use the AI stylizer. You were that girl running on the beach. Then you put the reference image and you find a better reference image let's say if something fine on social media or someone's post or anything you want, right? Literally, like anything you desire, you can recreate it. So I'm just finding. Okay, okay, I found something really nice. Okay, so I found this paintbrush style, watercolor style image. What I will do, I will generate the style, and then what it will do, it will put this girl with this style, right? Without you having to because sometimes AI cannot, you like, even though you say watercolor style, but the style of the image won't be watercolory like the one you desire, basically, right? So you can kind of basically make it work like that, right? For your projects, for social media, for your books, for illustration purposes, for website, for covers. Like, this is the best thing, right? Now it takes like few seconds, and look at that, guys. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Almost, it seems like it is drawn. And then again, you can regenerate after regenerate, right? You can again regenerate it, and it will kind of take that similar approach. And look at that, the same. It's drawn. It's the same style, the color. There's a sketch over there, and all. It's a really, really, really good thing, And then you can regenerate, right? So when you hit regenerate on this, it would basically regenerate the old image to the better one, basically, even if you don't upload the reference image. What is gonna do, this is another cool thing, right? Because this image was already selected as the source image, the new image that was generated previously, it would kind of try to make it better, or stuff like that. So yeah, but still I recommend, again, right, what I recommend is, again, right, you go to media library or with AI, you generate your image, right? And then what you do, you stylize that, right? So I hope this is clear. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon. Thanks.